How to fix battery cannot charge past 80% or 95% on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. In here, tap on the settings icon. Next, we then scroll down, and in here tap on battery. Then tap on battery protection. Now the reason why your phone cannot charge past 80% or 95% is because of this settings right here, the maximum settings. So you may want to choose basic, or you may want to even turn off battery protection if you are having issues to charge past 80% or 95%. And that's it. After that, tap on the back key or tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.